Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I'll guide you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Skrill. It's crucial to watch the video until the end to ensure you don't miss any essential steps. And please note that there are currently 3 possible methods to achieve this, and I'll cover them in detail. Method 1. Exchange with a friend. One option is to exchange your PayPal balance with a friend who has a Skrill account. This can be done by transferring funds to your friend's PayPal account and having them send an equivalent amount to your Skrill account. Remember to trust the person you are exchanging with. The second method is to withdraw money from PayPal to bank. The second and probably the easiest method is to withdraw your PayPal balance to your linked bank account. Once your funds are in your bank account, you can then transfer them to your Skrill account. This method is straightforward and reliable. The third method is to use an online currency exchange sites. But use it at your own risk. You gotta find a reliable and trustworthy site. Because the third option is to use online currency exchanges websites. However, I would advise against this method as it can be risky and you might encounter unauthorized or unreliable services, so it's not recommended, so do it at your own at your own risk. In conclusion, transferring money from PayPal to Skrill is currently not a direct and straightforward process. To ensure a smooth transfer, I recommend using the second method, which involves withdrawing funds from PayPal to your bank account and then transferring them to Skrill. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Wishing you the best day ahead of transferring money. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.